An awesome morning, kids. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, in the previous class, we learned about numeral 1. We learned about numeral 1. So, what is this? This is numeral 1. This is numeral 1. And now kids, today we are going to learn about numeral 4. We are going to learn about numeral 4. Okay? This is numeral 4. What is this? This is numeral 4. We will draw numeral 4 with slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. How we will draw numeral 4? We will draw numeral 4 with the help of slanting line, sleeping line and standing line. So tell me kids, which number is this? This is numeral 4. Okay? So kids, I'll give you the introduction of numeral 4 with an activity. As you can see, there is a picture, but it's so blank. So we will complete this picture with pasting some object. So are you ready to do with me? Yes, let's start. Okay? So kids, what is this? This is a cloud. So we will paste this picture here. Okay? Like this. We will paste these clouds one by one over here. Okay? Now kids, let's count how many clouds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 clouds. Okay. Now we will put or paste some birds in the sky. Okay. Like this. We will paste all these birds one by one. Yes kids, now tell me how many birds are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds. Okay. Now kids, let's paste some trees. Okay. Like this, one by one, we will paste these trees over here. Okay? Now kids, how many trees are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 trees. Okay. Now kids, there is a lake, but it's so empty. There is no duck, no fish. So now we will put some fish in this lake. Okay? So we will paste this beautiful fish one by one in this lake. Okay kids? Yes. See? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, let's count how many fish are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fish. Okay. Now kids, this is garden. So, isn't it look beautiful? No, na? So, we will paste some beautiful flower in this garden. Okay? Let's paste all these flowers one by one in this garden. Like this. Now it's look beautiful now. So let's count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flowers. Okay. Now kids, let's bring or call few kids in the garden. Okay. They all are playing. See? You also playing in the garden now? They all are looking pretty. Now, let's count how many kids are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kids. So kids, our picture is completed now. Isn't it look beautiful? Yeah. Now kids, let's count them again. How many clouds are there in the sky? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 clouds. Now kids, how many birds are flying in the sky? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many trees are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kids, how many fish are there in the lake? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kids, how many kids are playing in the garden? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many flowers are there in the garden? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kids, our picture is completed. Now, we will count some objects. Now, kids, let's count some objects, okay? So, see, I have some beads. So, let's count how many beads I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 beads, okay? Now, I have some sketch pens, okay? Sketch colors. So, let's count how many sketch colors I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sketch colors, okay? Now kids, I'll show you some other example. I have some sticks, okay? So let's count how many sticks do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sticks. So kids, in this way, you also find some objects at your home and count them. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.